Two American tourists, Finnegan Lee Elder, now 23, and Gabriel Natale-Hjorth, 22, were on vacation in Rome in July 2019 when tragedy struck and shook them both to their core. During a sting operation gone wrong, 35-year-old Carabinieri Mario Regali was stabbed to death. /n/and the two were soon brought to trial, with both being convicted and handed down the life sentence, the toughest penalty in Italy. An appeals court later reduced the sentence to 24 years for Elder and 22 for Natale-Hjorth, but the two were still set to face severe consequences for what had happened. /n/and just recently, Italy's highest court ordered a retrial in the case, giving Elder and Natale-Hjorth a glimmer of hope that their previous convictions would be overturned. According to Elder's lawyer Roberto Capra, the retrial will focus on whether or not Elder was aware of having a law enforcement agent in front of him during the operation. In addition, Natale-Hjorth's attorney Fabio Alonzi is hopeful the retrial will exonerate his client and cast doubt on any claims that Natale-Hjorth was an accomplice in the murder. /n/and the retrial gives the two convicted teens a chance to have their sentences lowered and to envision what their future may look like beyond the prison walls. For Elder's parent, Leah Elder, the prospect of a new trial gives her son a sliver of hope for the future. /n/and the Court of Cassation will issue its reasons for the verdict in the coming weeks, and instruct an appeals court on the precise issues to examine in the new trial. /n/and the high-profile case has gained worldwide attention, with people from across the globe awaiting the results of the retrial. Even if the verdict is not in their favor, Elder and Natale-Hjorth have been given an opportunity to have their sentences re-examined and get a second chance at justice. /n/and Mario Regali, the 35-year-old carabiniere whose life ended tragically, will likely never get justice in the eyes of the law. Still, the retrial provides a chance for redemption, not just for the convicted citizens, but also for the Italian police force and all of those who have been affected by this tragedy. /n/and the possibility of a retrial has granted a bit of relief for those involved, and hopefully the remainder of the case will bring understanding and resolution. /n/and in the wake of the incident, Finnegan Lee Elder, Gabriel Natale-Hjorth, Roberto Capra, and Fabio Alonzi have made names for themselves as pillars of justice and truth. /n/and their story may soon be concluded, and may their bravery and tenacity in the pursuit of true justice be heard far and wide.